Today we're breaking down something you've probably heard a lot: NASDAQ and NYSE. What are they? Why do they matter? And how do they affect your investing journey? Before we talk about NASDAQ and NYSE specifically, let's understand what a stock exchange is. A stock exchange is like a digital marketplace where people buy and sell shares of companies. Just like you buy items on Amazon, you buy company stocks on exchanges. But instead of shoes, you're buying pieces of Apple, Tesla, or Coca-Cola. The two biggest stock exchanges in the US and the world are the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, the NASDAQ, National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. Let's look at each one. The NYSE is the oldest and largest stock exchange in the US, founded way back in 1792. It's located on Wall Street in New York City, and it's known for listing big, stable companies. We call these blue-chip stocks. Examples: Coca-Cola, Walmart, McDonald's, Nike. It has a physical trading floor. Yes, with actual humans shouting prices. Though most trading now is digital, it's seen as more traditional and is often the home for well-established businesses. The NASDAQ was launched in 1971 and is entirely electronic, no physical trading floor. It's known for being tech-friendly and often features fast-growing or newer companies. Famous NASDAQ stocks include Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, Meta. So, if you're into tech or growth investing, NASDAQ is where you'll find many of those opportunities. Now you might be wondering, do I need to pick one over the other as an investor? The answer is no. Most brokers give you access to both exchanges. It's not about the exchange. It's about the companies you want to invest in. Want to invest in Apple? That's on NASDAQ. Interested in McDonald's? That's NYSE. Just pick companies based on your goals, not where they're listed. So to recap, NASDAQ equals tech, growth, electronic, newer. NYSE equals traditional, stable, physical plus digital mix. Both are super important to the US market, and you can access stocks on either exchange easily with most brokerage accounts. That's all. Thanks for watching. And as always, happy investing.